Hello guys, Flash with another video. Today we're going to talk about LASTMOON. We're going to talk about their roadmap. I'm going to show you guys how to buy it on Pancake swap. I'm also going to get into their social medias, speak about their facts, what they have been done, and all the interesting stuff. So please watch till the end and enjoy. LASTMOON is a BAP20 token which was launched fairly on Pancake swap as a team locked the liquidity and renounced ownership. They only hold 2% for marketing and they won't use it without community votes which will be made on their Telegram group. Let's get right into the tokenomics. So LASTMOON takes 10% commission on every transactions as a 5% fee gets distributed among holders and the other 5%, the 50% gets burned on PancakeSwap liquidity pair. They had an audit. This audit was provided by TechRate. They have passed all the tests. Want to take a look at the roadmap? So they have successfully launched the token and confirmed their contract on BSC scan. They have successfully applied to CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, and the marketing campaign has begun. They only have partnerships with influencers, ads running, and they are constantly reviewing and negotiating new marketing deals. The initial push coming on the third quarter of 2021, the Whitebit tokenomics integration will be completed along with the completion of LASTMOON app, wallet, and games. The Bitmart integration with tokenomics will also be completed in this quarter. They will begin architecting the NFT exchange as well as video game integrations. So the interesting fact that they want to make a crypto education lab and begin their journey on a charity project. They'll begin a community listing donation, raising for several exchanges like, for example, Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, and they want to finish their NFT exchange and release their first video game with LASTMOON integrated. So this will be a very interesting token. So we just have to wait and see. The time will show us. I highly suggest you guys going and checking their Twitter because it's their most up-to-date social media. They're posting every update there is. LASTMOON having only 2,800 holders at the moment. It's still very early to join the game. I wanted to say that you can buy on PancakeSwap. Quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice or anything. Do your own research before buying. This is all for educational purposes only. That being said, let me show you guys how to buy LASTMOON. So you need Trust Wallet or MetaMask with BNB in your wallet. After that, don't forget to put the slippage on 11% or more for it to work. Swap BNB to LASTMOON, go on their website, grab the link, it's going to pop up, just click on swap. MetaMask will show a notifications and just confirm that, and that's how easy it is to buy LASTMOON. That being said, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications, and don't forget to pump LASTMOON. See you on the next one. Flash out.